Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the combine feature. Okay, the combine feature. Okay, suppose that I draw these two parts, okay, and I want, for example, the common area between these two parts, okay, or I want just this part without this part, or this part without this part. So in this way, I'm gonna choose the combine. Okay, combine feature. Okay, let me give you the idea, then let's do it step by step. So suppose that I want to subtract. So I want this part, this is the main part, and this is the part that I don't want. So click here, then check. For example, see, so this is the part number one without the part number two. Okay, subtracted from the part number two. Okay, or for example, I want to make this combination, okay, just the common area, okay, the intersection between the cube, the small cube, and the bigger one. So click here on the part number one and the part number two. He's gonna take just the combination or the intersection between these two parts. So this is the part that is intersected between the two parts. Okay, and this is the combine feature that we are going to explain it right now. So let's do it step by step. So new, then new part. Okay, go to the top, normal 2, sketch, activate sketch. I'm gonna draw a square which has 100 by 100, of course. Then feature, extrude, and the extrude will be also 100. Okay, now to draw the second one, go to this surface, normal 2. I'm gonna draw sketch, activate sketch, draw in this corner another square. This square will be 50 by 50. Okay, and feature, extrude, let's make this extrude mid plane. Okay, I'll make it 50, for example. Okay, now the most important thing here, before you check, the most important step here before you check, to uncheck this merge result, uncheck it. Okay, so click here, make sure to uncheck this merge result. Okay, then check. This is very important, uncheck this before you check. Okay, now you can see that we have two parts, okay, merged to each other. Now you can go here and click combine. Okay, click combine. You have three different options. The option number one, that you want these two parts, okay, to be one part. Okay, always they are one part. The second one, I want to make one of them subtracted to the other. So for example, again, combine, subtract, I want this part. So this is the main part, the part that I want, the part I need. This is the part that I don't need. Click. He's gonna subtract. Okay, the other, the blue one from the green one. So check. You see. So this is how we subtract. Okay. Again, combine. Okay. Let's say that this is the main part, the part that I want, and this is the part that I don't need. Check. So this, he's gonna subtract here. Okay, what is the common? Again, click here, sorry, go to combine again, combine, click here. Common means the intersected area between this part and this part. So click the part number one, the part number two, and he's gonna take the intersected part. Okay, I made another example here. Suppose that we have this feature and this feature, cube and circle. Okay, make sure go to their edit feature for this sphere. you can see that I made the center line. From this point I made the center line, and I made this circle, half circle, then I made the revolve feature. But make sure that the merge result is unchecked. Make sure that the merge result is empty here. So check. Now go and click combine. Okay, you can make these two parts as one part. You can subtract one of from the other. So suppose that I need this part, I don't need this part. Okay, so we subtract one from the other, or for example the opposite way, or you can simply combine, choose the intersected, which is the common. So click here, part number 1, part number 2, he's gonna give you the intersected part. Okay, sometimes it's important to know these the combination. Sometimes it's not easy, or it's not let's say it's not a part. Let me show you something here. Okay, sometimes it's not just a cube and sphere. It's like has some curves, and you have two parts that are not easy, or it's complicated, and you want just the common area between these two parts or three parts. Okay, so you can choose the parts that are common, and he's gonna give you the intersected between the intersections, the intersection part between these two or three parts or four parts. Okay, and this is the idea of the combination. I hope it's easy to you. Please go again and draw it yourself, and I hope it's easy for everyone, and thank you very much.